It's just an account. So, a real example, I had a gentleman, I've known him and his wife for years, and we were looking over his plans for retirement, and he wanted a decent income in retirement. And so he was at a stage that he could move some of his 401k out, yet keep it intact, keep contributing into it while he's working. We call it an in-service transfer, in-service rollover. So we rolled it over to a personal IRA, but we used an account that down the road, once he retires, he could turn income on from it that would be guaranteed for not only himself, but he and his wife's lifetime. So guaranteed lifetime income, yeah, it's a type of an annuity. It has an income feature, and yes, you can use an IRA, or you can put 401k money into it without having to pay tax on it if you do it properly. And so we positioned it that way, and sure enough, and he still needed to contribute into it. He was one of those that had very high income, so it wasn't necessarily making a lot of sense to, put it into a Roth. It was okay to do that because now that he's retired, the fun part we're having is we're crunching numbers with my CPA, his CPA, to see, well, how much now can I convert, to Roth, and even with that same account, that annuity that can produce lifetime income, we're not ready to turn it on yet. We don't need to. But how can we convert big portions of that? And we're looking at possibly $350,000 a year to Roth, and then when he turns that income on, guess what? That income is now tax-free for the rest of their lives. So it might take at least two, but maybe 3 years to get all of his, IRA type money converted to Roth, and he'll pay the tax, and he's, done well, got savings, large savings, we can pay the tax from the savings. It's not going to change their lifestyle. They're not going to have to, eat ramen or whatever people do with little grocery money, right?
Hey, I
already like it.
I just got some in the cabinet just now. I would like a little light ramen for lunch when I'm in a hurry. But yeah, that's not what
you know what I mean.
Just eating ourselves up.
But see, sometimes we do it that way. Get it positioned ahead of time while you're still working. He didn't have to close his 401k. A lot of companies allow you to move it ahead of time and position it in a better way so that you can, again, create the additional income you're going to need. But everybody's plan is different. And
so this is something I do want to tell our listeners right now. Sorry, Jim, I did not.
No, you're okay.
Over your toes there. I want to let folks know that even if you aren't working right now, a lot of listeners, a lot of folks have written in or called and said, when is that time to talk to Dale or talk to a retirement advisor? I'm not going to retire for a couple of years, so what? Should I wait until 2 weeks beforehand or 6 weeks or 8 weeks beforehand just so I'm all positioned? Folks, if you're working right now, what we were just talking about was that this person's been a client of yours for quite a long time. You worked with a little bit on his assets, but you weren't in a hurry, they weren't in a hurry because they were still working. You can actually start this process right now by taking a look at what's inside your 401ks, see if you've got the right asset mix for what you're trying to do. Our listeners answer this honestly to themselves. Are they getting much help from your 401k provider? Can you call them and ask them about the market ups and downs, or what's going to happen with interest rates, and what is that going to do to my target date fund? Oftentimes they're self-funded, which means they're self-directed. You can call Dale right now, set up an appointment to come in. 833-856-1382 is the phone number. Our radio listeners can reach out right now, schedule an appointment, we'll bring you in.
And the ones answering the phone are my staff. Pick on Jeremy, pick on Debbie, in a nice way, of course. Say hi to them.
Well, now you gave out their names, and now the radio listeners, what, are you going to give their last names too and their home address?
No. I'll give you a social note. No. But let's go back to that one. As I think about it, we actually moved money 8 years before he retired. Positioned it. He was able to keep working a little past 70, but he was able to start Social Security at the highest amount. Don't go past 70, you're not getting any increase. Start at 70. But anyway, the point being is we already had things dialed in. I mean, he comes in, we relax, we talk. So if the sooner we sit down and put our heads together, the better, because if you know that things are dialed in, or here's the things that we could do down the road that we don't have to jump, through hoops and do right now, well, it takes the stress off of you. We know what's going on down the road. I mean, when you see that, hey, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and it's not a train coming at you, but it's, hey, a brighter time down the road, then it's a much better feeling.
The reason I bring it out is just myself personally. I mean, you don't make an appointment with a brake specialist for your car